People have joined, right? Okay, we were calculating. You just calculate and see this red values you are getting or not. 21.4, 23.5, 11.9.
Yes, ma'am, getting.
You're getting, right? So okay, the population, so you divide it by your, like this, okay, this 3,000, like crisscross, you have to do 3,000 divided by 25,000, then 6,000 divided by 28,000, 8,000 divided by 34,000, 5,000 divided by your 42,000. Leave out the last one, okay, leave the last population. So you have to divide it like that and multiply it by 1,000. Oh, sorry, over divided by 100. Then after finding your growth rate, you need your mean, okay, geometric mean. As similarly you calculated your, in arithmetic method you calculated increase in population mean, okay, so here also we need the geometric mean, okay. And how to find the geometric mean of the growth rate? You take the fourth root of the growth rate, okay, and you have to multiply like this. You see, it is little bit difficult to explain in like virtually, but then also by seeing you try to understand, okay. Like this one, you see, we have taken the fourth root, and you multiply all the growth rates whatever you got, 12, then 21.4 you got here, 23.5 you got here, then 11.9. You have to take the fourth root.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, that four root, is it because there are four values
Yeah, yes, correct. There are four
and
values,
they,
that's why we are taking fourth root, okay. Fourth root here.
ma'am,
If
that
this is
means it is
five
five.
values, it will be 5.
Okay,
It
ma'am.
will be 5. If it is 6, then it will be 6. I guess he will get 16.37%. Did you get 16.37?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you got the geometric mean. Okay. Now that means R you got. Okay. This is your small r value. Okay. Okay. Now this will be small r. Okay. R value you got 16.37%. Okay. Now you have to use the geometric increase method formula. So this is your formula. Okay. And here you got the R value. You know the R value now. P naught also, you know, P naught is your last known population, and Pn is what? Pn means whatever population it is told to find out, that is your Pn. Okay. So now you see here P and P naught. So R you got to be 16.37. So if you here it is divided by 100, right? So you need to divide it by 100. So after dividing by 100 your 16.37, you will get 0.1637. Okay,
Yes,
here
ma'am.
after dividing your R by 100, that is your 16.37 divided by 100, you got here 0.1637. So 1 plus 0.1637 makes your 1.1637. Clear up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am.
now everything you know. P naught also you know. Then N also you know that for your 1980 it will be N will be 1. For 1990 N will be 2.
Ma'am,
Yes?
is it N is in power?
Yes, N is a power.
Okay, okay.
1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. So you quickly find out the values. Everything you know. Using your N1 and 1, 2 and 3 decades, you find out the population for 1980, 1990 and population in 2000. Quickly find out. I am not showing you the answer. You do it by yourself. And tell me the answer as soon as you get, okay? How many students joined? 30. Did you get for 1980?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
How much?
29092.5.
Uh-huh. Something is wrong, I guess.
54694.
Yes, correct. 54,964. Okay, showing you. Wait. See this one.
37?
P 1980, it is calculated like this, you see. It's 54,964, 694. Where did you make the mistake?
Last known population.
Okay. So that is 47,000. It is given in a question, right? Last known population you always see in your question. What is the last year and what is the last population given? That will be your last P naught. What is the next one? P 1990.
63,647.
Very good. Who is this speaking? Crow.
Yes.
Okay.
Aya.
Who is this Aya? Find up. Arvisha, what happened? दिमाग घूम गया क्या? Okay, find out P 2000 also.
74,066.
Yes, correct. I'm showing. Okay, now find out. You see, if it is difficult to calculate, you see. Finish everyone. Finish. So I will go to the last one, incremental increase method. Same numerical, okay? Just you write down the this one. Topic you write down incremental increase method number 3. Incremental increase method. Definition you write later from your, you see your ERP, then you write, okay? For now you write down, sorry, you write down the formula. Pn equal to P naught plus Nx bar plus N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into Y bar. Then you write this thing. Up to here you write down. Are you finished writing?
Ma'am.
Yes, everyone, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let us proceed to the numerical, okay? Same numerical, okay? We are continuing the same numerical. Means in your suppose in your exam, your it will be mentioned, okay? So like your population year and population will be given, and what years you need to find out, it will be given, and your the method by which you should find out, it will be given. So here the same population question is given, and it is mentioned that you find it by incremental increase method, okay? So the question is same, the values are also same. So you just make the table. You make 4 columns. You make 4 columns like this, and write same up to increase in population. It is same like you find out in your arithmetic increase method and geometric increase method. Everything is same up to here. You write it down. Oh, sorry. Finished? Okay. So now for the fourth column, here, like in your geometric increase method, the fourth column is changed here also. Okay. So after, so this, if this type of numerical comes, or you need to remember, it is easy for you, because here the up to 3 columns it is same. Okay. Only the fourth column it changes. So for your incremental increase method, what we from the definition, what did we learn? That in your incremental increase method, the population, it might increase also, or it might decrease also. Okay, in a city the population, it might increase or it might decrease. So we have to find the incremental increase, okay, or decrease, you can say. So what we need to do, okay, so up to here, this one, you know, okay, like by minus subtracting, you got 3000, 6000, or all this. For the next column, it is also same. Okay, it is also same. Here also you need to minus the second to the first. Okay, 6000 minus 3000, you got 3000, right? Then 8000 minus 6000, you got 2000. Then last is your 5000 minus 8000. You forget all this. First you for just subtract it. Okay, you forget whether it is a negative value or a positive value. You later we will note it down. Okay, so 5000 minus 8000, what you got? 3000. Okay, so now we will see the sign conventions. Okay, we will see the sign conventions. So here, after subtracting 6000 minus 3000, what value is coming? A positive value is coming. Okay, so we are giving here a positive sign. Okay, then 8000 minus 6000, we are getting 2000. So it is also a positive value, so we are giving here a plus sign. Okay, but in the third one, you see, it is 5000 minus 8000, that means minus 3000. Yes, so we are giving here a negative sign. Am I clear up to here? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so you have seen that here minus is coming and plus plus. So whatever value you get here, okay, suppose I am telling, okay, so here you are getting, suppose 10,000 instead of 5,000. Suppose it is 10,000. Okay, so 10,000, you have to minus 10,000 by 8,000. Okay, so you will get 2,000. So here minus sign will not come. Okay, only plus 2,000. Okay, like that you need to write it down. So whatever values, you just subtract the this one from the second to the first one, and you will get whatever sign conventions you get, you just put it down here. Okay, so now after, what is happening? Okay. Okay. Oh, another value is also here. Okay, okay, let me shift it to the next page. Let's put it. Okay, so now we have got, after minusing, you got all these three values you got. So now we will add it up. Okay, we will add the increase in population also and incremental increase also, we will add it up. Okay, so after adding your 3000, these things, we already got 22,000. Okay, and then x bar, we have found out the mean by dividing it by 4, we got 5,500. This one we already got in your arithmetic increase method. Okay, so now x bar you got, but in this formula we need y bar also. Okay, so y bar also same, like similarly you add this whole thing. Okay, you add this whole thing, and suppose, but you have to consider the sign conventions. Okay, you have to add this whole thing, but you need to consider the sign conventions. Like, see here, it is plus 3000 plus 2000. Okay, so that makes a plus 5000. Okay, now here it is minus 3000. So plus 5,000 minus 3,000, you will get plus 2,000. Did you get what I am telling? Just see the column. Are you getting what I am telling you? Like you
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to, you need to consider the sign conventions. Okay. So if suppose I am giving you an example here, suppose it is your minus 3,000. Suppose, okay. Then what will you do? Then what will be the answer?
Ma'am, once again.
Suppose here in this question, you got it here plus, right? Here this part you see I am doing it. Suppose it is plus here, no? Suppose after doing all these calculations and all, you get it here minus. Okay. So what will be the total?
Minus 4,000.
Yes, yes, you are correct. Minus 4,000. So here it will be your minus 4,000 in that purpose. Okay. So since you have understood, no? So here
Yes, ma'am.
you need to consider the sign conventions, and then you add it up, or you or subtract whatever you need to do. You see according to the sign convention. So here you got plus 2,000. So you find out the mean. Okay. So for finding the mean, you here three values are here. 1, 2, 3. So divided by 3. Okay. 2,000 divided by 3, we got 667, and that is also a positive one. Plus 667. Okay. So now after getting x bar, y bar, we can find out the, finally we can put find out the population for P1980. So this is your P1980, this is your formula. Okay, this one is your formula. So P naught everyone knows, it is last population, that is in this question the last population is 47,000. And you know it will be one decade for 1980. Then x bar you got 5,500. Okay. Then n also you again you know it will be 1. Okay. And y bar also you know it is 667. Okay. Then you find out these three populations, P 1980, P 1990, and P 2000. You find out. Do it by yourself. Then you will know. You find out the population P 1980, 1990, and P 2000. Use the formula and do it. Till then I am taking your roll numbers, okay? 28. Roll number 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 6, 7,
Ma'am.
8, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10, 11, 11 present.
Yeah, present, ma'am.
Okay. 12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Yes, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15, 16, 17, 18,
Yes, ma'am.
19,
Yes, ma'am.
20, 21,
Ma'am.
22,
Yes, ma'am.
23, 23 absent. Okay. 24,
Yes, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27, 28,
Yes, ma'am.
29, 30,
Present, ma'am.
29 present. Okay, to okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
How can I forget you? You are active in class. Okay. Then 30.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 31, 32,
Ma'am, 31 absent.
31
ma'am.
absent. Okay. 32 present. Okay. Then 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Yes, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42, Apongba absent. 43, 44, 45,
Present, ma'am.
45 present.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. 46,
Present, ma'am.
47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, reading out the absent ones, okay? Roll number 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, 16, 17, 20, 23, 27.
Ma'am.
Yes?
20 present.
What?
20 present.
20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 27. How about, okay. 27, then 31, then 33, 34, 35, 36.
Ma'am, 36 present.
Okay, 36.
Ma'am,
Huh?
3 present.
Uh-huh.
33. 33 present.
32.
33.
33. Jodha Asem. Okay, then
23.
23.
Yes, ma'am.
23. Okay. Okay, then the 33 I have given present. 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 42, 43, 44, 47, 48,
3 present.
47.
43.
Wait, one by one, please. Mic is okay. Who told 40? I cannot hear. Can you?
43 present.
Ma'am, I'll type it.
Okay, 43 I have given present. Next, who told just now? Your mic is, it is giving problem. I cannot hear. Roll number 44 or what? Ashok Tangu. Ashok Tangu present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And 42 is at present or what? 42? Then 47? 48, 49, 50. Let me see the chat box if you have written something. Roll number 11. 11 I have given present, then 44 given present, 43, 43, 44 I have given present, 36, okay, 36 is present, then 8, roll number 8. 8 is present, roll number 8. Okay. Anyone left out or what? I am again reading out the absent ones you see, okay? 5, 6, 10, 15, 16, 17, 27, 31, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 42, 47, sorry, 40, yeah, 47, 48, 49, 50. These people are absent, okay? Others I have given a present. Okay, so you got your answer? Did you get your answer? How much you got?
How much you got? 53,167.
Yes, correct. Next one
Yes,
is your
correct. Next one is your
60,000.
60,000.
No,
53,000.
no, next one.
No, next
90.
one. 90. 60,101.
Okay. Then P2000.
Then P2000. 67,502.
Yes, very good.
Very good.
Okay, done. So we have, I hope everyone has completed, okay? The numerical. Everyone has got the answers. If not, you can see, I am showing you this one. Just see the calculations. Very easy. So we have completed your population forecasting. Okay, population forecasting, 3 methods we have completed: your arithmetic increase method, geometric increase method, and your incremental increase method. Okay, so numericals also we have done. So I hope if some other values are given to you, you can do it. Okay, because the same values, it obviously it won't come, the year it might be different, the population also it might be different. So I hope you can do it by the same process. Okay, same procedure. So next class we will go to your next topic. We have to go, you know, something, all these some things we have to make it short, because since we have to do, you know, it's a vast course, so all this, some I will tell you, okay? Next class I will tell you some things we have to make it short. I will give you the important things which we should cover up. Okay, so everyone understood the numericals?
Ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I will stop share my screen. How many minutes gone actually? I cannot see here. Okay then. Next topic, I think it will be better if we start in the next class, because today already 2 classes. Okay, 2 classes is sufficient, isn't it, for one subject? So you have done 3 numericals also. I won't be starting the next topic today. Okay, so we will see in the next class then. Okay, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and thank you, everyone. Bye. I am ending
Bye-bye.
the meeting. Okay. 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 You can
Yeah.
end the meeting. Okay.